Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do voiceovers on your videos. You may be seeing different tutorial videos on the platform and wonder how the voiceover is done. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a voiceover on your videos. So in order to do this, we are going to be using an app called CapCut. So the first thing I would like you to do is to go to either your Apple Store or your Play Store and download CapCut if you don't already have this app. After successfully downloading the app, we open the CapCut app and set up our accounts. But you don't have to set up your account to use CapCut. However, it's advisable to first set up your account. Then we click the plus sign at the top which says new projects, and you go to the screen recording that you've made or whatever video that you want to do a voiceover on. You go to where it is in your gallery and you add it. Once you click new projects, it will take you to where you can add a video file. After choosing the file that I want to do a voiceover on, the first thing we do is to select the file by clicking the rectangular icon that signifies the file and reduce the volume or mute the file. After that, we are going to deselect the file by clicking a blank space on the screen. And immediately we do that, we'll see that the editing tools that are given or offered to us or presented will change. So I'll select it again to demonstrate what I'm saying. Once you select the file, the editing tools change, as you can see, the tools below. And once you deselect it, the tools also change. So we're going to deselect our file because in order to mute it, we have to first select it, then click on audio. After clicking on audio, it will bring out the different tools under audio. Then we can click record and wait for the countdown to record. We simply record what we do the voiceover that we intend or that we desire and click on record again to stop recording. We can adjust this recording by holding it down and moving it to the appropriate or to the appropriate fields or where it lies. We can also select it, and once we select it, a list of editing tools will show. An example is split. You can split it and make desired adjustments or corrections as you please. Also, you can select the video file, the file that you want to do a voiceover on, and edit it as well. You can move it from to desired length or split it or do whatever editing that you need. After all that is done, what we're going to do is to export our videos. And first, you can adjust the quality of your video by clicking the top right, the part where it says 1080p, and then we'll be able to adjust the quality of our video. And when you've adjusted to your desired version, we click on the arrow beside where it says 1080p to export our video. Thank you very much.